Hey, what's up YouTube? Out here today with another knife review for you. Today I have the Real Steel Pathfinder fixed blade. Well, this knife is a beauty. You see it has a lanyard hole there. It is a true full tang. The thickness is 3.5 millimeters. It has Denim Micarta handle scales, right, which are blue and textured. It's also available in earth brown handle scales and green handle scales. You see it has some jimping on a thumb rest right there. It is a Scandi grind. The steel is 14C28N. That is a Swedish Sandvik stainless steel. You see the shape of the handle, made for comfort and security. The blade length 4.57 inches. Now I have large size hands and it seems to fit me pretty perfectly. Right, so overall, I think this is a really functional design. Your Real Steel knife will arrive in a nice box like this, and that's the official model, Pathfinder fixed, Denim Micarta. It's a sheath, but it also has a polishing cloth and some literature. Here is a comparison with two of the folders in the Pathfinder line. Right, so the one on top, right, that grind right there, that's flat. This folder has a Scandi grind, and the fixed also has a Scandi grind. Yeah, it's rare to find folders that have a Scandi grind. Love that one. And as you can tell, I love the Denim Micarta. Alright, some paper. Alright, so as you can see, this came fairly sharp. Let's cut some other materials. Alright, let's do a little bit of notching. The old notch stick. At least we have a nice breeze out here. That's nice. Hope it doesn't mess up the audio too badly. Pinch grip. Alright, yet another notch added to the notch stick. Okay, I don't really recommend splitting with this. I would prefer a much larger, thicker blade if I'm going to split firewood. But let's just say you had like a very small piece of kindling. I don't have my baton out here. I'm just going to have to hit this really hard. Alright, there you go. Alright, so again, you just want to make like little small kindling sticks or carve these into a stake, whatever. There you go. Alright, I'm going to draw it down this piece of kiln dried firewood. Carve a little spike. Hope you're all doing well these days. I'm keeping busy getting out here. And we've got some very hot weather. But, well, you know, bushcraft and survival isn't just for good conditions, right? Yeah, I mean this came real sharp. Definitely. Alright, there you go. A little spike there. I already carved this end earlier. Now as far as striking a fire steel, the spine on this is rounded, right? So it's not really designed to strike a fire steel. So you're either going to be carrying a separate striker, or you could take a file if you really wanted to. You could actually modify that so that it could. Okay, got some stretchy bike tire tubing if you need to make ranger bands. There you go. Some paracord. That's too easy for this. Got a strap you need to cut. This is like a seat belt. Easy. Piece of a box. Not sure why you would need to use this as a utility knife, but if you did need to, there you go. This is the sheath that it came with. You see how they've done the belt loop there. There's a button closure, right? See, there's a ring there. That. You've got Velcro here. So what do I think they were thinking with this sheath? Well, two things. One, retention. I mean, this ain't going anywhere. It's completely enclosed by the sheath. and the other just to keep the price down, because they're probably figuring a lot of bushcrafters will make their own sheath, have a customized sheath made or make their own, so they didn't want to go too crazy with the sheath because they didn't want the price to go up, right? So that's kind of like a bare bones sheath, but definitely a lot of retention with that sheath, and yeah, that's the sheath that it came with. All right, my YouTube friends, I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick and dirty review of this knife. So overall thoughts, well, I checked the pricing recently. It's around $75. Is it worth it? Oh yeah, in my opinion, yeah. I like that steel, true full tank construction, even looks nice, very nice, comfortable handle. It checks all the boxes for me. Love the Scandi grind. I consider this right up there with my Mora Garberg, which they now have stainless and carbon, right? So yeah, I put this right up there with Mora Garberg stainless. Now YouTube, if you do enjoy videos like this where I get out here and test gear, using it in the real world, knives, multi-tools, air guns, flashlights, all sorts of useful outdoor and tactical gear, be sure to subscribe. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.